Yo, what's going on, boys? Back in another video today. Today, took a L again, but two verse a day. Today's verse. Oh, bro, I actually need to get a real camera. It's so annoying. Doing this on my phone is the worst thing ever. Alright, so today's verse of the day is Psalms 18:27. You save the humble and bring low those whose eyes are haughty. Alright. So, these accounts. Alright, well, first off, I passed this account today. Pretty sure. Passed this account today, just activated it. So now I have 10 Apex accounts. However, 5 of them are about to be gone with only one more trade of drawdown to go. So we got to hit a banger. Somehow got to save these accounts, man. Because it's unreal, bro. I haven't taken a single fucking win on these accounts. And then these are now down 800, which I can come back down. This is down 5. So I lost 227 on these, and 165 on these. Let's actually go over the trade. I'll show you it first, and then I'll go over my thinking for today. So it was a long to an unfilled 15-minute gap after a 2-minute inversion, and well, I kind of anticipated the inverses, so I was pretty confident in it. But let's just show you. So originally my bias was bullish, just like almost everyone in the trading space today. Everyone's bias was bullish. My bias was bullish. I honestly wanted to see some sort of retracement lower, maybe take out these pre-market lows and London low before we can get continuation higher. So I did want to see some manipulation at market open, which we ended up taking this internal eye here. And after that, we kind of chopped for a while, so I just watched. I think someone said today was witching day. I'm not sure, but I think the options contracts expired today, so typically the market just dumps on these days. So I didn't know that at the time, but in this there was literally one single gap, nothing to take any trades off of. So I just waited patiently. I waited. We just continued dumping. Didn't find any long setups here. Nothing presented itself. At this point, I was leaning more bearish. So then I started drawing out my gaps and lows in which I wanted to see get tagged to potentially take a short to. So these were the lows. I did want, I think it was this move here. I wanted to see some sort of retracement back up to this 5-minute gap up here, but we never went up there. I was gonna take a short off this, but I was actually in class and I couldn't watch the markets. Although I probably wouldn't have taken this because there was no 1-minute gap here, and I don't trade 30-second inversions. I just don't think they're high probable. Maybe in this case they are, just because of the how bearish we are and how bearish we are. It's probably like a free win, but it's just not. I don't trade like that. I don't like trading like that. That's just me. PB Blake took this trade. Cut a dub. Good for him, man. But yeah, nothing here either. So could have shorted the 5-minute gap. This is when I took my longs. We had an unfilled 15-minute up here. We finally rebalanced, took out this previous session London low, and this previous day low down here. So I was like, okay, surely we get some retracement now. And I was right. We had this 2-minute gap up here, and we had this 1-minute here. I was just going to take it off the 1-minute inversion because we tapped the hourly. I was just looking for a small retracement up. I entered before this candle even inverses. Yeah, it's risky, but I was pretty confident. And I couldn't go, well, I don't even know what happened, but I didn't go break even on the Apex accounts. This is how I passed one eval. I couldn't go break even because I just didn't. I thought that maybe could get some retracement down to this 2-minute inversion and then continue higher, but we never got that. We just get, for some odd reason, straight candle down. And I guess this would have been a good short if you wanted to take shorts here, but didn't fill this 3-minute gap. There was no 5-minute inverse to 2-minute. This is not a good short at all, and never mind. If you were to take this, this is a shitty ass trade. This 2 minute, I mean, this 2 minutes really the only thing that you could have taken for a short off this. 2 minute gap gets tapped to the tick. Then you get this 1 minute inversion, and you can target. I don't know, man. This low down here, which probably would have hit. Yeah. Oh. Well, wouldn't have hit. Could have targeted this low, I guess, but I don't know. Odd day. Odd price action. Odd first 2 weeks of January. I don't know what's going to happen. I think I'm probably going to blow these. It's the wrong mindset to have, but I really just don't know anymore. I'm going to take a guess that I can get a payout on these two qualified. For some reason, I can't. If I took that $800 win on across these accounts, because the one I took this week, because I'd be a little bit less down on the week, but I couldn't freaking take it because Trade of A Mobile's dog shit, like I've been saying. So unfortunate day, unfortunate week, unfortunate 2 weeks, but we come back stronger. Next week we have a bank holiday Monday, MLK Day. And then Tuesday is probably going to also be dog shit. Wednesday, Trump speaking at 8:30, which is fire. Not bad news next week, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we can end January off. I only need 4 more winning days to get a payout on this account, if I can even get another winning day, but we'll see. I'm taking any payout I can get at this point because I need to get some money back from all that I've lost. And you can only get a max of 1,500 across 0 accounts, so it doesn't matter anyways. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm getting 0 views on these videos for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like I'm shadow banned. I have 150 subs and I'm not even getting 150 views, so it's kind of annoying. But we'll see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned.